And a very warm welcome if you just joined me on my channel, Nigel's Beyond Things. How you doing, how you keeping? Hope everybody's safe and sound where you are. Today what I would like to do is show you the sun simulator, well, in a different fashion. What I'm going to do is show you the sun rising, and in progression we're going to go and see the sun simulator sort of like kick in. Many people have emailed me asking me where our sun is, if we've got a sun simulator. This is our sun, people. This is that orange ball in the sky. As it comes through the sky, it's red, it goes yellow, and it should be yellow all the way through the sky. If you take a video of our sun as it goes through the sky, it should stay in a round ball and goes through the sky. It will change colour, it will change into a yellow, very bright yellow colour. But you can tell there's a lensing system around here, because this is a projected image and this sticks out like a sore thumb, and we've seen this many times, and this will become more prevalent as we go through the clips. But yeah, our sun shouldn't change shape as it goes through the sky, and it does. So this proves there's a lensing system here. And how do we know that there's a sun simulator behind it? Because it gets projected onto this lensing system here, and you're going to get to see exactly what I mean any minute now. Black dots in the middle of the sun, that normally indicates the sun simulator is running. The last video I made was called the projected sun and the sun simulator. I think that explains many different things. Links in the description box down below, so it's easy for everybody to find, and I will leave links for everybody else and everything else that I'm talking about. Or for more technical information, please pop over and see Jeff P. Let's recap. Our sun is in the skies, there's no doubt about that. We've got a sun simulator, and then we've got a lensing system, and we've got lenses up in the sky. You can notice the scale of clouds here and how nice and red it is in the background, and the camera does not do it justice in any way, shape or form. The first clip is from 6:03, the last clip you're going to see is 7:47. So 1 hour 43 minutes, and we're going to see our sun change from the sun to a sun simulator. Let's have a look at the rest of the video. But there's one crucial thing that goes all the way through the video. If you look at this X just here, you might need to tilt your screens back a little bit, but it is there, and we've got our lensing system. You're going to see how this sun simulator that's in front of our sun, this is our sun by the way, grows and fills this lens up here. And let's have a look at the video. Like I say, the camera work's not the greatest, but that's not what the video is all about. Scale of clouds in the background, as I said before. Sun is coming through the sky. 6:28 at the time now, and if I pause the video just there, this is 10 times clearer than it was before. We've got our X just there, we've got our sun simulator running in the background just here, and we've got our lensing effect around here, and you can see the shape it's starting to take, and that is near enough constant all the way through. Our sun is a ball. It is not, it doesn't look distorted just like that, and you can see how bright it is. It's really starting to get bright. You've got 3 different colours running there. Let's have a look at the next clip. 6:44 AM, I will pause it just there, and well, just there. We're looking at our lensing system, and you can see in the centre we've got our sun simulator. It's now turning white with a tinge of yellow around the outside. That's what I would expect to see from the sun. And we've got our lens flare here. The most crucial part about this lens flare is it has objects in it, and if you've got objects on a lens flare, that means there has to be something in the background. And we've got our blue object down here, and I've made videos about this before, links in the description. Let's play the video, and as you can see, yeah, it stays a basically constant size and shape. And we've got our lens flare there with our objects in it, clear as day. 7:47 AM in the morning, that's 1 hour and 43 minutes later, and we can still see we've got this X. But now if we look at this lensing system, it's near enough completely full, and we've got this LED torch in the sky. For me, this actually proves that there is a lensing system in place, and this proves that there is a sun simulator. But you don't need to take my word for it. you can do your own research, and we've got our blue object just down at the bottom here, as you can see just there. So we can actually see just there we've got our petal effect that goes round, and yeah, that's normal in anybody's book, and we still get our blue object there. It wouldn't matter if I'd done a finger test because it's a projected image. This is what I'm trying to explain to everybody. This image here is projected through a lens, and it is being cast onto the lens of the camera, and that's why we can see it so clearly. There you go, and it sends my camera absolutely nuts, but when I zoomed in before, it made no difference. To me, I'm just showing you what's there. Not necessarily correct, but I'm showing you what I'm observing, and it's for you to decide. And as you can see, I'm sticking it in to different filters, and you can see the X there, and when it goes into this color sketch, which is just here, it brings it out just that little bit more. You can see the defined lensing system that's in place. But hey, it's for you to make your own minds up. Much love, much peace, and I'll catch you next time. Take care.